Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria de Souza. I am a Feldenkrais and a yoga teacher, and I'm here to help you heal your body. And how do I do that? Well, I help you improve your posture, or in other words, improve the alignment of your body. Now, we all know that good posture looks good on us, makes us feel elegant and boosts our self-confidence. But most importantly, good posture keeps pain away. Something that you might not know is that the health issue you may be suffering with, it is very likely to be a result of misalignments and muscle imbalances in your body. All these aches and pains and discomfort in the body, including chronic pain, they all have a root cause. Now, I believe that there are no gods up there slouching over computers allocating pain to people. I believe that we create the pain ourselves because we have never been taught how to take care of our backs. Now, in this channel, you have loads of exercises to help you improve the alignment of your body. It's only when you start noticing and doing something about those misalignments and muscle imbalances in your body that you're going to see an improvement in your health. Now, equally important to correcting those misalignments is to learn and understand how to prevent those misalignments in the first place. Now, this is what is missing in the children's education. This is an essential skill. How do we go about life making sure that we keep our back safe so that we don't create all these misalignments and the pain that comes with it? So I'll teach you how to go about life making sure that you keep your back safe. Now, if you want to go through a complete program and if you want me to be next to you to help you through this journey to heal your body, to improve your posture, to correct those misalignments in your body, then please have a look at my digital courses. I'll leave the link below for you to have a look. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to go through life having good posture, to look good and to keep away pain. Thank you so much, and I'll see you at a next video. Bye bye now.